Hey there, tech enthusiast, and welcome to Tech Pineapple. If you're on a hunt for a new premium smartphone, you might want to consider the upcoming Honor Magic 5 Pro. This fast-growing Chinese manufacturer has emerged from the shadow of its parent company, Huawei, with a mission to take on tech giants like Samsung and Apple, and the Magic 5 Pro could well be the phone to help them just do that. Last year, Honor made their first foray into the premium market with the impressive Honor Magic 4 Pro, which launched outside of China, and now they're back with the Magic 5 Pro, which was unveiled at MWC Barcelona 2023 alongside the foldable Honor Magic VS. So, what can we expect from this upcoming flagship device? Let's see. Design and display. First things first, let's talk about the Honor Magic 5 Pro's design and display. The phone comes with a 6.81-inch LTPO display topped with quad curved glass, which is the same as its predecessor. However, the brand's new human-centric design philosophy has led to some changes, such as a circadian-friendly 120Hz display. This display is not too taxing on the eyes and can reduce eye strain by 18% compared to other premium smartphones. By mimicking the dynamic dimming of natural light, the Honor Magic 5 Pro gives you 30 minutes more sleep, according to Honor. Specs. Under the hood, the Honor Magic 5 Pro packs a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is a setup from the Gen 1 processor found in the Magic 4 Pro. Honor has also added new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth infrastructure to its new flagship, which should boost Wi-Fi performance and reduce latency significantly. The phone comes with a hefty 5100 mAh 5 battery that supposedly yields over 12 hours of battery life with heavy usage, which is more than the S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro Max can manage. Camera. On cameras, which is where this phone will likely make headlines, the Honor Magic 5 Pro packs a punch. It comes with a 50 megapixel wide lens, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens on the front. The camera setup is similar to Magic 4 Pro, but what sets the Magic 5 Pro apart are the various special photography modes. One of them is AI motion sensing capture, which allows you to snap impressive stills from motion-heavy movements like dancing, jumping, or the shuffling of a deck of cards. Price and availability. Unfortunately, we still don't know when the Honor Magic 5 Pro will be available to buy, but pre-orders are expected to go live in the next few weeks. Its predecessor, the Magic 4 Pro, hits shelves on May 13, 2022. So Honor may well opt for a similar date for the Magic 5 Pro. It's worth noting that the Magic 5 Pro is unlikely to be available in the US or Australia. Huawei sold Honor in 2020 to avoid seeing its one-time sub-brand placed on the US import blacklist. So there's no legal reason why Honor couldn't sell its upcoming flagship across the Atlantic, but it's not something we've seen the burgeoning brand do as of yet. The Magic 4 Pro is available in the UK and Europe, so we'd expect the Honor to follow suit by making the Magic 5 Pro available in these regions too. Final thoughts. All in all, the Honor Magic 5 Pro is shaping up to be a serious contender in the premium smartphone market. With a top-of-the-line chipset, a stunning display, and an impressive camera setup, the phone ticks all the right boxes. If you're looking for a phone that delivers both style and substance, the Honor Magic 5 Pro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. What do you guys think about this phone? Be sure to let us know in the comment section down below. And if you're excited about the Honor Magic 5 Pro like we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews. See you next time. Until then, bye.